Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by fitting the canted sight and confirming your control binds because setup matters. Equip a primary optic, then mount the 45 degrees canted iron or red dot. Once done, open settings and assign a one-press toggle for quick access. Practice the toggle in training, make sure you can reach it under pressure. You'll notice ADS feels slightly different. Adjust sensitivity by small increments and test again, so transitions stay smooth during real engagements. Once you're in combat, prioritize the primary sight for medium and long ranges and tap the canted sight for fast close-quarter checks. You want alternating, deliberate views, not frantic flicking. Use peeks, leaning, or strafing while switching so you keep cover and preserve your sight picture. Make sure to time toggles between bursts or single shots because excessive switching disrupts recoil rhythm. Practicing this flow builds a rhythm. Engage, tap, shoot, regain sight, and reposition smoothly. To finish, analyze your last encounters to see what went wrong and make targeted fixes. If you miss shots after toggling, check sensitivity, tweak ADS by 5 to 10% and repeat drills. If your toggle button feels awkward, remap it closer to your thumbs and rehearse snaps. If the canted sight visually clips or misaligns, remove and remount it, then validate in training. One key tip: when problems persist, return to slow, deliberate practice until muscle memory replaces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.